Yes, brother.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Hajj is meant for the pilgrim to Makkah. So with that niyyah, we can go around with other pilgrim places. Is it possible? So it will deflate our niyyah, is it?
There's a question that if I go pilgrimage from Makkah, can I go for other pilgrim places? See, if I think pilgrim places, in the hadith, the only way you can go for a distance of traveling, the three holy places, Makkah, Medina, and Masjid Aqsa. So that if you go, no problem. With pilgrim, you can do sightseeing also, no problem. No problem. You can go and see the other massages, no problem. But the main niyyah is Hajj. Perform the Hajj, no problem. So main niyyah is Hajj. Before, after that, you go to any other place, no problem. As long as the place is not involving shirk and wrong things, Otherwise, no problem. There's no problem at all. But the main niyyah is Hajj. The main niyyah should be Hajj. While doing Hajj, you can even do business. You can even do sightseeing. You can even go to other places. You can visit the other mosque massages. There's no problem at all. But now if you're going and spending so much money, you say, fine, now there's a close country, we want to visit that country also. Want to visit Saudi, while coming, want to go to Egypt. I mean, there's no problem. Egypt is sightseeing only. No problem at all. Hope that answers the question.
I need a clarification.